A small information on computer mouse is available on Digi Tech Truck blog. Just visit a link digitechtruck.blogspot.com. XAMPP is a free and open-source, cross-platform. X stands for cross-platform, meaning it is available on multiple operating systems. A stands for Apache, which is the web server software included in the stack. M stands for MySQL, a popular relational database management system. P stands for PHP, Perl, or Python, which are programming languages. XAMPP is designed to be an easy-to-install and ready-to-use. XAMPP is free and open-source software, which means that users can view and modify the source code according to their needs. XAMPP is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, making it versatile for developers using different operating systems. The Apache HTTP server is a widely used web server software that is included in the XAMPP stack. It provides the foundation for serving web content. XAMPP includes MySQL, a popular open-source relational database management system. It allows developers to create and manage databases for their web applications. XAMPP includes a PHP interpreter. This allows developers to write dynamic web pages and scripts. XAMPP includes PHPMyAdmin, a web-based tool for managing MySQL databases. While the P in XAMPP traditionally refers to PHP, the stack also includes Perl, another scripting language. There are various sources from which you can download the XAMPP server. XAMPP can be downloaded from multiple platforms, offering options for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS operating systems. We will download the XAMPP server specifically for the Windows operating system. It is advisable to install XAMPP on a different drive and in a new folder, rather than the Windows drive. This precaution helps safeguard your XAMPP data in case of Windows file corruption, preventing potential loss. As we are in the final stage, we are currently testing whether the XAMPP server is functioning correctly or not. We aim to offer you the most informative videos available. If you encounter any offensive material, kindly leave a comment below.
Subscribe Digi Tech Truck for thrilling and informative content. Reshape your experience.
In upcoming videos we will also install XAMPP Server in Linux and Mac operating system. XAMPP is commonly used for local, development and testing purposes.